Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your academic performance with AIFS full guide step. Step 1 is to understand what AIFS stands for. AIFS stands for the American Institute for Foreign Study. This organization offers various resources to enhance your academic experience. Step 2 is to assess your current academic standing. Identify your strengths and weaknesses in your studies. Step 3 involves setting specific academic goals. Make sure these goals are measurable and achievable. Step 4 is to utilize AIFS resources at your disposal. Explore academic programs that align with your goals and interests. Step 5 is to engage with AIFS tutors and mentors. These experienced individuals can provide personalized guidance. Step 6 is to join study groups organized by AIFS. Collaborating with peers can enhance your understanding of complex subjects. Step 7 is to take advantage of workshops offered by AIFS. These workshops often focus on essential skills like time management and study techniques. Step 8 is to create a structured study schedule. Incorporating your academic commitments into your daily routine is crucial. Step 9 is to regularly review and adjust your goals. As you progress, your academic needs may change. Step 10 is to seek feedback from mentors and peers. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement. Step 11 is to stay motivated and focused. Utilize resources from AIFS to keep your spirits high. Step 12 is to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing progress can boost your confidence. Following these steps can lead to improved academic performance with AIFS. By leveraging their resources, you can enhance your educational journey. Stay committed, and you'll see positive changes in your academic life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.